Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with lesson number 12, Observing the Sky. The sky is everything that lies above the surface of the earth. In the sky we can see different types of things like clouds, sun or moon. A day is of 24 hours. It is this time when the sky has light or no light. In the daytime we see in the sky clouds, sun, birds, etc. In the night time we can observe different types of things in the sky. The brightest object like moon, stars, sometimes the planets also. The night sky refers to the night time in which there is always appearance of celestial bodies. Stars, planets and moon. They are visible in the sky after the sunset or sometimes between the sunset and sunrise when the sun is below horizon. A morning star. It is a star which is available in the east before sunrise. It is the brightest planet seen in the sky. Many times, children, you must have observed the morning star when we wake up very early in the morning. Especially that is referred as a planet called Venus, which always shines before the sunrise. Children, we can see here Venus and the Mercury. We also see sometimes these planets during early morning hours. These planets therefore are named as morning and evening stars. They are seen very low near the horizon in the sky. Children, here we can see the path of the sun, and sometimes we see the moon also during the daytime. But the sun dominates the daytime sky with its brightness. During the day, the sun appears to move through the sky. It appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. Children, remember, it only appears, but this does not happen actually. But it appears to be seen from the earth. By this we can understand that the apparent motion of the sun for us is because of the rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. So children, we are able to see the sun moving because our earth is rotating continuously on its axis from west to east. But the sun is stable at its own position. Here is the bright and recognizable object in the night time, that is the moon. We know that moon appears as its brightest and most recognizable object in the sky at the night. In addition to moon, we can see the stars and the planets also, which are the other celestial bodies that can be seen in the night time. Children, we can see different types of things in the night time, like celestial bodies. I said your definition also I have written. Celestial body is any natural object outside of the earth's atmosphere. Simple example is the moon, sun and other planets in the solar system. Planet Venus. Venus is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and the moon. Venus is not only the planet we see in the night sky. Mars, Jupiter and Saturn are also other planets that can be seen in the night sky even with our unaided eyes. Unaided eyes means, children, without our sun shines with a yellow whitish light. All the other stars are not yellowish white. Stars vary in size, children, remember, according to their brightness, temperature and color. The hottest star shines with the whitish blue light. Here, children, I have written some important facts related to our planets. This you have to note down in your notebook also. All these facts you have to read thoroughly, revise it and then write it in your notebook. Mercury year lasts for 1.5 days. because Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Venus spins backwards and nobody knows the reason for that. Earth is the only planet in which we have life. Mars has two polar ice caps. Jupiter has storms that would swallow the Earth twice. Means Jupiter carries too much storm. Saturn has 57 moons. Uranus is the first planet to be discovered by telescope. Neptune is the closest planet in the solar system. Children, here I have written some important facts about the planets. This also you have to write down in your notebook. You can read thoroughly and then write in your notebook. Again, here explanation is there about the planets. This also you have to write down in your notebook.